get 24 to 31, average of 27. They're very good on gas, actually.
So your only choice is these are the colors available, huh?
Yeah,
That's it?
You know, actually, we
Silver,
have
blue. You don't like blue?
okay, the cosmic blue. That's a very nice.
That's a
color.
cosmic blue, ne?
That's
Cosmic
very,
blue. This is a real blue here.
Yeah, that's a
Very
very
good.
nice. I mean,
Yeah, meaning
it's not a light color is a choice. I can't tell you.
light
like
blue,
it
ne? It's
or
okay.
not.
This one look like black.
No, it's
No,
not.
it's not.
No.
The one, what
The
diamond?
diamond.
Wow. Yeah. Itong parang white may parang sa akin. Looks like, no, this one here. Mine is white pearl. So this is pearl, ne?
This one, 35.
Oh, 35.
Let me see. White Siguria, 35 to 95. It's not bad.
30, wow. Leather, huh? This is leather, huh?
It's a suede. Water is the fire.
So you try to test drive so that you have a feeling. Let her try test drive.
You want to drive this one?
Is the red leather? The red one?
The red one, no.
No.
How about this one?
This one is a suede.
Suede,
It's a suede in the middle, so it stays cooler, and the leather on the side.
The red is how much? 27?
No, 30. They are all over 30. 34,000 and so.
All over 30.
Yeah.
Yes.
This because it's higher.
Yeah. The 27. I'll show you what I have for maybe 27. With these two.
Those two, 27. Yeah.
Another sport.
Oh, Outlander Sports. Ne? So which one? Smaller or bigger?
Smaller.
Yeah. That's this. Yeah. Ito na yung nakikita sa 27,000. Those are brand new, huh, right?
Yes.
Bob,
Yes.
this is what I'm talking about.
These are brand new. This one is 30,000. It's a SEL with leather. This one doesn't have leather for 27,000.
Oh, 27. It's leather.
Yes.
Sa leather.
Yan eh.
No, that one is leather. This one is not.
Okay.
Parang parehas ng sasakyan.
Yeah, same color as you. So if it's 34 minus 10. How much this, Bob?
30,000 something.
Yeah, 33.
Yeah, this is a SEL. You have has a little bit extra, but still is the same engine, same safety.
Oh, I see. Okay. Need try to test drive so that you have a feeling, The red one.
Are you interested?
I think the red she was too fit to drive it.
The red one?
Yeah.
You have the driver's license?
Oh, show the driver license. Let her practice because.
No,
She's
you can't practice.
Oh, you cannot practice.
Does she know how to drive? When you say practice, she never drove.
She will drive, not me. I'm the spokesperson.
Yeah, give me 1 second. Let me get I need it. I gotta make a copy. I'll come back.
Yeah. Wow, Bob is a nice person.
Thank you.
Because
Happy with you.
we're all senior citizen.
Absolutely.
Mababa ito kasi dito.
Wow, sa'yo mami, kumuha ka na ng malaki talagang SUV. Yan, parang yung kotse ni, yung Toyota ni, natin.
Yung parang yung Hyundai noon na start na HR.
Yeah, kumuha talaga ng big. The big is, now your option is either this one, red one.
Ano ko, itong tatlo dito.
Yeah, mamili ka kung mapusuan ka. Kung magustuhan mo talaga, ipalinis yan. We come back July 4th. Para makuha ko yung 10,000. Wow, look at big. Mas
38.
ganun this is LED. Nakikita mo ba? How much is this?
Parang 38 or 36.
Parang the same as your Nissan.
36 to
Yeah, get the other color than what you have. Ito na yung maganda, pearl.
35.
Yeah, ito.
35.
Ay, minus 10 mo. May 10,000 ka na agad. Kung red naman,
34.
tamo, itong mas affordable to na eh. Gusto mo tignan yung blue? The blue there? Not that one, the other blue.
Yun?
Yeah. This is dark blue and blue, yeah. Mamimili ka. Pero this is very small. Ito naman may anak small to. 16,000 Pero this is used. Used, yeah, mga used yan, may mga ano na, tsaka maliit. Very small ni. Yeah, used na na, magkakuha ng used.
Tinignan ko lang yung presyo nito.
Yeah. Yeah, my sister-in-law is looking for Highlander. Oh, Outlander, not Highlander. She's planning to buy, but she needs to choose what color she wants before we finalize the buying of new Outlander. Huh? Wow, this is nice. Tama, yeah. Yan talaga ang presyo. Because this is bigger than...
What is your phone number?
1386.
You have to go with her, okay?
No, why? You go with her. I don't know. I don't have to.
Really? Because you
enjoy.
she might drive away and
That's
don't
okay.
pay you.
Hey, I get my money from insurance.
Oh.
Is your address the same on your driver's license?
Oh yeah.
Yeah.
Okay. Why did you say no?
No, because I don't have his address.
Eddie, you're giving me no. I need your signature, then, please.
My hands are no
That's
longer
okay.
good in writing.
I know. We're all in the same boat. Not to worry.
So it's safer to drive, Bob? Turn right here or?
Yeah.
Oh,
No, I've locked it.
you like it.
Okay, I'm gonna take this out. Put it in here.
Can you demonstrate how to start?
Absolutely.
Yeah, of course you have to demonstrate to us.
You wanna
Turn
come
on
in?
the-
Ikaw naman mag-drive.
Turn on the air condition.
Yeah, that's what I'm gonna do.
Okay, and
You wanna come to the other side?
Ikaw naman mag-drive. Ikaw
Who's
naman.
gonna drive? You're gonna drive.
yeah, you're the one because you have the license. Ikaw naman
He doesn't.
That's it.
He doesn't have a license.
Yeah. That's your.
Sabihin nila ni, ginaya ko na naman yung pula niya.
Eh, di, yung puti, ang kukunin mo, magkano yung puti? Gagayahin mo rin din sa amin. Walang choice eh. So, pearl. Wow, this is big.
Kano nga yung puti? 35, 36.
We will check how much the white. The white is 35. Hey Bob, come with us so that we feel secure, okay?
No,
Come with us,
don't
man.
worry. I don't want to die. But I don't know how she drive.
Okay, show the how to start.
Okay, yeah. Did she ever drive cars or no?
No, she feel nervous because it's a brand new
Put
one.
on the brake. That's what I said. Buy a used car. Okay, is your foot on the brake? Yes.
Yeah, you put your
Press this.
the brake, okay? Make sure your legs air condition.
Air conditioner.
Mm.
Now it's going to be nice and cool. Yeah.
Mhm.
Okay. Just give it a little bit tight. If you have the map, you sit here, put your seatbelt,
Mhm.
and cross. So, You feel comfortable to drive this? Okay, I'm sure you are.
Okay. I will pay.
And then you
I'm
come
just a
in.
little bit scared because it is new.
That's okay. If it's scared, then why do you want to buy the new car?
Oh.
And what you do is you put your hand over this, okay, and you pull it down. And then over there you're going to see it says...
Yeah. Yes, see.
Not too much.
You see?
You pull it too much, that's okay. You push it up. You see it says D?
D. Okay, drive.
D means drive.
Mhm.
Don't do nothing else.
Yeah.
You keep going. When you come back, come in front of my office, and when you come there, you press this. When you press this, it's parked, the car stops.
Wow.
Okay? Easy. Now the AC is cooling out. Go ahead and enjoy. I see you when you get back.
Okay, I will sit in front.
Okay. Oh, you want to sit it? She's